Hey, hi. In this video, we are going to see one of another success story video. So the name is Sabyasachi Pandya. He is from Odisha. He took here data science. During the course, he got a job as a Python developer. So now he is going to share the experience. Okay, he is a 2023 passed out, biotech, MNC biotech. So he got a job as a Python developer. Now he is going to share the experience. Just you can check it out. Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
All the best for your future.
Hi, myself Sabyasachi Panda. I am from Odisha and I took here data science. I opted for data science course in Besant Technology where I able to learn about Python. In this institute, I really thanks to everyone for the team member for the guidance, and my trainer name is Karthik, who is well trained. He provided me sample paper for the practice. He helped me in project and in preparation in resume, and he is very good at, he is well trained and around 5 years experience in Python developer. So I really thank him for the guidance and whole Besant Technologies for getting this job, and I placed as a junior Python developer in one company. And thank you.
That is the main thing. For example, only one interview he get a job, because frequently he is learning in the mock test, mock interview. He is attend lot of mock test, mock interview. So after finalizing only we filter the resume, we will send the company. So in the first interview he got a job. Even everyone can do that, but you have to practice properly and regularly. So all the best for your future. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Okay? Thank you so much.